So my buddy flipped his mini bike, like full send over the handlebars, and somehow walked away from it. His bike wasn't so lucky, so I'm fixing it up for him and telling the story of how it happened. Let's get into it. It started at the bottom of this steep hill. There's a trail up there, but it's for pedal bikes only. We weren't trying to get the cops called, so we followed these old tire ruts from side-by-sides. At first, we're climbing fine, but I start slipping bad. I'm on brand new tires and I'm getting nowhere. I try walking the bike while I'm throttling, and it's just spinning in place. Then I turn around, and I realize we're way up the hill. I yell at my buddy to stop climbing. We're in way too deep. He's 15 feet above me. It's about a 40-degree slope. We call it. We're turning around and going back down. I go first, and I'm already sketching. My back tire's locking up, the bike's bouncing, and I come probably about a foot into falling into the rut. I get halfway down and look back. There's a cloud of dust coming straight towards me. Dude launched over the bars. His bike kept flipping like 3 more times, and he somehow landed on his feet. I sprint up the hill, check on him. He's in shock for sure, but he's alright. Said he landed right in the rut I just about fell into. The bike, absolutely wrecked. So here we are. The bars were bent, pegs were crooked, bar stop snapped. This thing definitely took a hit. We're swapping out everything that got toasted in the crash and giving it a full cleanup. It won't just ride again, it'll ride better than before. He tanked that crash so hard and still walked away. So I gotta make sure this bike is as tough as he is. Now that we've gone over the crash, let's get to the rebuild. This was a big reality check for me. Just because I might be comfortable pushing my bike doesn't mean everyone else is. I pitched the climb, and he paid the price. He learned that crashing definitely hurts. That's his first crash. And I learned to be more mindful of people's skill levels. That hill will not see us again. Not anytime soon, at least. So what would you have fixed first? Let me know in the comments and tell me where you're watching from. If you missed the part 1 of the crash restoration, make sure you go watch that. Subscribe if you're into mini bikes, backyard fixes, and chaotic ideas. I've got more coming soon. Stay safe out there. Peace.